Today we will understand growth charts in easy way for babies 0 to 24 months old. Standard growth charts are published by Center for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) and the World Health Organization (WHO). These charts are appropriate for male-female babies and all races and nationalities. When I saw these charts for first time, it was difficult for me to understand and read these charts. Then I learned to read them, understand them, and then I made this video for you. There are separate charts for baby girls and baby boys. Here I will explain only one chart. You can read other chart in similar way. For child's average weight and percentile. For example, if my baby is 12 months old, find child's age at the bottom grid, draw a vertical line. Find your child's weight on the right or left side of the grid and draw a horizontal line. His weight is 9 kg 600 grams. Draw a dot where the two lines meet. Find the curve that is closest to the dot. Follow the line of the curve. Go all the way to the end of the curve. This will be your child's percentile. 40% children will be lesser weight of your child and 60% will be higher weight. It doesn't mean that higher percentile is good and lower percentile is bad. Your child's height and weight depends on various factors including genes, race, birth weight, hormones, nutrition and environment. Most important thing is your child is growing in a healthy way over time. Slightly lower and slightly higher than this percentile is also okay. But sudden drop in curve or sudden up in curve can indicate medical issues. For height, for example, if my baby is 12 months old, find your child's age and draw a vertical line. Baby's height is 75 centimeters. Find your child's height and draw a horizontal line. Draw a dot where two lines intersect or meet. Find the curve that is closest to the dot. At the end of the curve, it is your percentile result. Baby's percentile is near 50%. For these charts, I will share link in the description. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you soon.